Hello and welcome to astronomy. This is our first video that I'll be posting for this course, and there'll be weekly videos to follow. Occasionally, if I need to update about something, I will provide another video. Always check the updates page right here where we are right now. Just look for anything that's fresh or any news I need to bring you. My contact information is in several places. It's here at the bottom of the tabs under the course options and the astronomy picture. So you can always contact me there. You can leave a message for me by just clicking on the message icon and message me there as well. So week one, let's get right into it. Let's go to materials. Clicking over here. Oops, there we go. All right, so it says start here. So logically, that's a good place to start. And when you hit start here, there's just some welcome messages that has my contact information. Tells you about what you need to be successful in this class. Just a little bit about meet your teacher, not too much there. Course walkthrough, what to expect in the course, and the syllabus is on the way. I wanted to get right into the materials for week one, though. The syllabus will be a compilation of these three: welcome page, meet your teacher, and course walkthrough. So that'll be handled right there in the syllabus. So for materials, if you click on materials, go to Hexter 3, click on that. Go to week 1, the Earth, Moon, and Sun. And it says welcome to week 1 astronomy. So once you hit that, this goes over some of the assignments that will be in the course. One ongoing assignment throughout all 6 weeks is we have a list of 90 words that is attached to the resources tab, as well as to our first week. It's attached right here, and I will be also attaching it every week so that you can continue to be reminded to work on it. There's 90 words I'd like you to be responsible for. You're going to be able to write down the definitions, use the words in a sentence, draw an illustration or diagram of the word, and you will be writing a short science fiction story utilizing a minimum of 15 of the words, as many over 15 as you want. The way you write the story and use the vocabulary words will show me that you know the meaning of the words. For example, I was looking forward to the waxing moon getting larger since I loved being out in the moonlight. From there, you can continue on with any of the other words from the list. Waxing, of course, meaning the moon phase is growing larger. All right, so let's go back to materials. Week 1, Hexter 3, the Earth, Moon, and Sun. Weekly objectives. That's self-explanatory, tells what I want done for the week. Very important here is the week 1 discussion. This is graded, so please contribute to the discussion in the following manner. Just post one thing on the discussion. It's a public, or I should say public to you guys, discussion post. Write one thing you know about astronomy, or post a question that you have about astronomy. And then post one comment on another student's comments or post or whatever they put on. So then we get into lesson 1 after that. What is astronomy? Brief reading assignment here. Okay. I've given you the questions so that it's always a good idea to read the questions first so you get an idea of what to be looking for. Now, when you go to that assignment again, the Earth, Moon, and Sun, what is astronomy? So you click on that, you do the reading, then go back and click on the astronomy quiz. And this is the questions that you will be needing to answer. There they are. Okay, so you can just, as you're going through these questions, you can edit them. I've got the little spinning wheel there, but you'll be able to edit them and just highlight your color of your answer. Okay. Any questions on that, let me know. Now let's go back to the rest of week 1. You'll see these tabs, title, computer graded, title, manually graded. Click on those just to be sure, but if there's not a title, usually I don't have an assignment posted in there. This first week I have 5 assignments, including the vocabulary. So I won't always have something posted into these puzzle pieces here. Okay. Lesson 2 for this week is the moon. Again, that's a brief reading about the moon and questions to follow. Then there's this video about the solar and lunar eclipse. Watch the video, draw 2 diagrams that shows me that you know what the solar and lunar eclipse look like, and make sure you label your diagrams. Okay. Then reaching for the moon, another very short reading assignment. And if you get that done, you go to, or I should say when you get that done, you go to Cosmos Cards, click on the link here, and it takes a minute to load. And what will happen is there'll be, I forget exactly how many, about 30 cards that show up, and they're interactive where you can click on them and they will tell you a little bit about the picture that you're seeing. So we're at 85%. Let's just wait the next few seconds and get this loaded. Click to begin. Okay, so then what you'll do is go up to these little icons up at top, and it will tell you a little bit about, it'll blow up the picture for you, and then it will also give you information about what it is you're looking at. Okay, so really straightforward, kind of neat. Let's go back to the minimized version of that, and I'll just review some of the cards real quick. It has to load every time you do this. It doesn't take too long, as you can tell. We're already approaching 50%. So we'll wait a few more seconds, let that load. Boom, there we go. Click to begin. And you've got everything from the Saturn planet, okay, that you can learn more about, to Jupiter, to the moon, to all sorts of different cards that you can learn about. And they help you learn about our universe. What you're going to do is, let me just double check what I wrote. Write down 10 things you learned about the Cosmos cards and upload that to me. Then let's go back 1, and we'll get into our vocabulary words, which can be found here under week 1. They'll download. You'll open those up. Here they are. Okay, so when you get that open, it's taking a minute here, but it's almost done. Just go through these words in any order. If you want to stick in alphabetical, that's a great idea. Write just number 1. Write down 10 of the words and their definition. By the end of the Hexter, 6 weeks, you'll be responsible for doing all 90 of these words. So, all right, so we're approaching 8 minutes and 20 seconds. I'm going to pause the video now. Who wants to listen to me more than that? And get busy started. Welcome to the class. Any questions, feel free to message me.